Are you looking for the best snowshoes? In this video, we will break down the top 6 snowshoes on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1. MSR 040818102077. The MSR Lightning Ascent women's backcountry and mountaineering snowshoes has been the favorite snowshoes of many winter explorers for quite some time now. With its precisely designed frames and advanced traction systems, it's not hard to agree that it's the best snowshoe for backcountry exploration. The decking is constructed of lightweight nylon, weighing in no more than 4 pounds overall. It's arguably one of the lightest snowshoes ever made, which is exactly what you need if you wish to travel over long distances or steep hills. Plus, the wide oval frames of these shoes offer outstanding flotation in powdery situations. It won't be much of a handicap too should you wear it on groomed trails and hard-packed snow, thanks to the lightweight design. As for the traction, you need not doubt in the slightest. With big underfoot crampons that work together with heel brakes and a series of cleats running along with its outer frames, it's safe to say that it's the grippiest snowshoes there are currently. At number 2. Tubbs Snowshoes. The Tubbs Flex VRT snowshoes are very durable and provide great traction, even on steep icy slopes. They feature a U-shaped aluminum frame that is equipped with traction rails along the edges. The tail is flexible and thus it efficiently absorbs shocks from heel strikes. This significantly reduces the stress on your joints. It uses rotating dynamic fit bindings with the BOA closure system for a precise fit and optimized control. A Viper 2.0 carbon steel crampon is under the bindings. Also, it has a much bigger crampon under the bindings, but on the other hand, they are not equipped with crampon teeth across the sole. At number 3. MSR 040818056417. The MSR Evo Trail Hiking Snowshoe is a favorite of snowshoers around the world, offering exceptional value for trail walking and all-condition day use. These snowshoes are simple, solid, and work like a charm. The one huge difference with these snowshoes is that they are light. You will appreciate that after hours on the trail. Its crampon system is also top-notch with full-length crampon rails, as well as nice long crampon teeth on the toes. Known for dependability and durability, these 22-inch snowshoes provide excellent traction and flotation on snowy trails and rolling terrain. The steel traction rails and brake bars are molded directly into the snowshoe decking, and along with carbon steel crampons, provide a secure grip in varied conditions, from ice and crust to packed powder. Moreover, its duo-fit bindings deliver weather-resistant, glove-friendly, adjustable attachment to a variety of footwear. For extra flotation in deep snow, optional 5-inch modular flotation tails can be attached to snowshoes. Also, it is an ideal choice for both men and women looking for an all-purpose snowshoe. At number 4. MSR 040818106198. The MSR Women's Revo Trail Hiking Snowshoes are engineered specifically to address the unique biomechanics of women, or anyone with a narrower stride seeking a stable, yet agile snow travel option. It is ideal for variable trail conditions, including crust, slush, ice, packed powder, and deep snow. The snowshoes feature teeth around the perimeter of the deck for edge-to-edge traction, and steel pivot crampons for a bite on the steeps, providing exceptional grip and stability no matter the terrain. In addition, it is an injection-molded Exotrack tapered plastic deck that withstands season after season of rugged conditions and offers torsional flex for better control when stepping. The duo-fit adjustable bindings deliver weather-resistant, glove-friendly, secure attachment to a variety of footwear. These are compatible with MSR modular flotation 5-inch tails for extra flotation when carrying heavier loads or encountering changing snow conditions. It is available in 2 sizes to accommodate a range of body weights/gear. Finally, it comes with a manufacturer's 3-year limited warranty for your satisfaction. At number 5. Tubbs X190100101300. The Tubbs Mountaineer snowshoes have a teardrop design that provides excellent flotation, along with an aggressive front crampon, and specially designed heel crampons that are angled to help with breaking down steep slopes. They have a ratchet strap controlled step-in binding system with a rear heel strap to hold your boots in place. These are also available in a very large 36 inches size, suitable for larger individuals, or if you need to carry heavy loads and need more flotation in deep powder. A heel bar is included in these shoes. Also, it is certainly great for easy terrain, but when the going gets steep, the snow gets deep, and you're deep in the mountains, this tough and reliable tool will get you where you want to go. At number 6. CRESCENT Gold 15. The CRESCENT Moon Gold 15 snowshoes are designed just for women and their gear, and can handle up to 200 pounds in weight. They are light, comfy, and unrestrictive. You can really pick up the pace in these and get to running snowy trails in the winter. The binding system is known to be one of the best in the world. It's made of a flexible polymer that wraps around your whole foot for great comfort and support. To get the perfect fit, you just have to pull the loop at the top to cinch it down. You can loosen it or tighten it with gloves, and once it's in place, it won't move around. Plus, the teardrop shape of these snowshoes is designed for added maneuverability that assists you to walk and run naturally without sacrificing any flotation. This is why they are great for running. On the underside, you have a triple stainless steel crampon system that features a toe claw. The system provides outstanding traction, especially in hard ice, and is ideal for climbing and traversing. Overall, these are an awesome pair of snowshoes, and if you're a lady who loves to run in the winter, you won't find any better than these. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.